Hello, grade 5 and 6. This week, it's both for ESL and ESL Enriched. You're going to have a discussion with me about personality. So, I'm leaving on our website this link so you can go on this quiz and create or do the quiz about your personality. So the quiz is called Which Color Matches Your Personality. So you need to start the quiz and then they're going to ask you some questions. So for example, what's your favorite kind of movie? I like anything that makes me think. Bring on the comedy. I love to laugh. I It doesn't really matter. I just like to kick back and relax. I'm all about the action. So, for example, Mr. Daniel, it's actually I like anything that makes me think. So I click on next question. How will your friends describe you? Well, my friends, they will describe me as normally as a leader. So I'm the one who actually start things. So they like to see me as a leader. So I click on next question. What's your dream job? Well, my dream job will be on those fours. I will be an actor. I really like the arts. If you had one day all to yourself, how will you spend it? So, writing in my journal and taking and talking with friends, going to the amusement park, enjoying some peace and quiet in a hammock, and hiking, biking, running, sports, whatever. So, for me, I think I enjoy some peace and quiet in a hammock. Donc, je vais mettre sur une hamac et prendre du temps à moi. Then, question 5, pick your ideal pet. Well, my ideal pet on those four, I really love dogs. And then your favorite part of the school day comes when you get to make a painting in art class, visit with all your friends at lunch, collect your thoughts in study hall, and lead a group project. So school day will be actually to make a painting in art class. And the last question, what do you think is your best quality? So for me, is it your loyalty, your sense of fun, keeping the peace, your self-confidence? Well, I am loyal to people, so I get the results. And then they give me my color. So my color, it seems that it's orange. Orange is an attention-grabbing, fun-loving color. You live to be the center of attention, make other people laugh, and fit right in at parties. You get bored easily, but you have more friends than you can count on and are always up for trying something new and exciting. So that will be my color. So you need to complete the quiz and then you're gonna complete the activity on classroom. You need to answer the question, what is your personality color or what is your color, and then give me 3 words that you found on this final description of your color, your personality, and just 3 words. So give me what is your color, and then 3 words that represent that color. And on Thursday, we're going to be dividing into 2 groups, and we're going to talk about your personality. So make sure that you do these tests just right before, complete the activity on classroom, and on Thursday, we're going to talk about personalities and how the brain works.